Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen IT Learning. I'm your name, and today I'm bringing you the ultimate computer course for 2025. In this video, you'll learn 15 essential computer tools and skills that will make you job ready and super productive. We'll cover everything from Microsoft Office, Google tools, AI apps, cybersecurity tips, and even productivity hacks. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'm also sharing some bonus tips that most beginners don't know. All right, grab your computer and let's dive in. First up, Microsoft Word. It's the most popular word processor used in offices and schools. Step 1, creating a document. Click File, New, Blank Document. Step 2, typing and formatting. Type some text and show. Changing font style, size, and color. Making headings bold or underlined. Step 3, adding images and tables. Click Insert. Pictures to add an image, and Insert. Table to add a table. Step 4, headers and footers. Click Insert. Header or footer to add page numbers, document titles, or dates. Pro tip, use Ctrl+B/I/U for bold, italic, and underline quickly. By mastering Word, you can create reports, resumes, and professional documents in minutes. Next is Microsoft Excel. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet tool for calculations, data analysis, and charts. Step 1, basic cells and formulas. Type numbers in a few cells, click a blank cell and type =sum, A1, A5 to add numbers. Step 2, useful functions, =average, A1, A5, average of numbers =if, A1, 50, pass, fail, conditional results, lookup value, range, column, false, find data quickly. Step 3, formatting, show changing cell color, text alignment, borders. Step 4, charts, highlight data, insert, chart, column, bar chart. Excel is essential for finance, marketing, and school projects. PowerPoint is for creating presentations. Let's make a slide deck. Step 1, click New Presentation. Add a title slide and content slides. Step 2, add text, images, and shapes. Show inserting a photo or icon. Step 3, use transitions between slides, animations, transitions. Step 4, add charts or videos to make presentations visually appealing. Pro tip, keep slides simple, clear, and professional. Avoid too much text. Google Docs is Microsoft Word online. The biggest advantage? You can collaborate with others in real time. Create a doc, docs.google.com, blank document. Share with others using Share button. Use suggesting mode for edits that others approve. Import-export Word documents seamlessly. Google Docs is perfect for group projects and remote work. Google Sheets works like Excel online. Create a spreadsheet, sheets.google.com, blank. Enter data and use functions, sum, average, conditional formatting, format, conditional formatting, highlight numbers automatically. Real-time collaboration makes it great for teamwork. Google Slides is PowerPoint online. Create a presentation, slides.google.com, blank. Use built-in templates for quick designs. Share with friends or colleagues for collaboration. Pro tip, use simple layouts for professional presentations. Gmail is the most popular email service. Create labels and filters to organize emails. Schedule emails to send later, compose, schedule send. Google Drive is your cloud storage. Upload files and folders. Share documents with anyone via link. Organize everything in folders for easy access. Pro tip, always back up important files to Drive. Canva is a design tool for creating social media posts, posters, and presentations. Choose a template. Customize colors, fonts, and images. Export as JPG, PNG, or PDF. Pro tip, use Canva to make your projects look professional without advanced design skills. Notion is a productivity and organization tool. Create pages for notes, tasks, or projects. Use databases to manage tasks, deadlines, and workflows. Share with team members for collaboration. Pro tip, combine Notion with Google Drive for maximum productivity. Video calls are essential in 2025. Host meetings on Zoom or Google Meet. Share screens, record sessions, and use virtual backgrounds. Mute, unmute participants, and manage settings. Pro tip, test your microphone and camera before meetings for smooth communication. AI tools like ChatGPT can save time and boost productivity. Ask ChatGPT to write emails, summaries, or code. Use AI for brainstorming ideas or learning new skills quickly. Pro tip, always verify AI outputs, especially for work or assignments. Stay safe online, use strong passwords and change them regularly. Avoid phishing emails and suspicious links. Install antivirus and keep your system updated. Pro tip, use two-factor authentication for added security. Organize your files for efficiency. Create folders for documents, images, videos. Backup important files to Google Drive, OneDrive, or external drives. Use consistent file names for easy search. Pro tip, delete unnecessary files regularly to avoid clutter. Typing fast saves time. Use websites like 10fastfingers.com or typing.com to improve speed. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl plus C, copy, Ctrl plus V, paste, Ctrl plus Z, undo. Organize your workflow for maximum productivity. Pro tip, practice daily for 10-15 minutes to see real improvement. Learn to research effectively. Use Google search operators for precise results. Evaluate trustworthy sources before using information. Bookmark useful websites and save resources in Drive. Pro tip, use multiple sources to get accurate information. Now that you've learned all 15 tools, here are bonus tips. Combine tools. Use Excel with Word, Canva with Google Slides. Learn AI tools to automate repetitive tasks. Keep practicing every day to become job-ready quickly. Remember, consistency beats speed. And that's it. You've completed the Ultimate Computer Course 2025. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen IT Learning. Turn on notifications so you never miss our free IT tutorials. Comment below which tool you want a deep dive tutorial on next and I'll make it for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.